Hi students, today we are going to solve one previous year's question from CBSE 2024, paper code 5513, question number 22. An air-filled parallel plate capacitor with plate separation 1 mm has a capacitance of 20 picofarad. It is charged to 4 microcoulomb. Calculate the amount of work done to pull its plates to a separation of 5 mm. Assume the charge on the plate remains the same. This is the question. Okay. We can solve this question step by step. First we will write what are the data given. So there are actually two cases, right? The case one is a capacitor is the separation between the plate 1 mm and the capacitance 20 picofarad and the charged to 4 microcoulomb. And the same capacitor, if separation increased to 5 mm, what will be the new capacitance? That is the question. So first we will write what is the equation for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. You know that C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D. So we will write two times, one for initial stage, one for final stage. Final stage meaning is suppose the separation between the plates is equal to 5 mm, that capacitance, that is C dash is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D dash. Now we do a ratio of these two, C dash by C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D dash divided by epsilon 0 A by D. Do a cross multiplication, reciprocal multiplication, okay. So write as shown here, then simplify, cancel the repeating terms, epsilon 0 and A are there in numerator, denominator cancel. Now C dash is equal to cross multiply, so D by D dash into C. Now substitute the value 1 by 5 into 20 picofarad. Okay, 1 by 5 because first case is 1, second case is 5 mm. And now done. Now C dash is equal to 4 picofarad. We reached the answer actually. So this is the new capacitance. You will get 1 mark. Okay. Now the part 2 of it. Okay, second part of it. So first case you will get 1 mark by doing that much, by doing the ratio of the capacitance, then find the new capacitance. Here amount of work done required you want to calculate. So work done is equal to change in energy. So what we are going to do the calculation here is, we do the energy equation twice, one for case 1, one for case 2, then find the difference. So work done is equal to half q square by C dash minus half q square by C. Take the common outside, half is common, q square is common. So inside the bracket what left now? 1 by C dash minus 1 by C. And you know actually the capacitance was given in terms of picofarad, right? So we write into 10 raised to minus 2 in the denominator. In the next step we will take that 10 raised to minus 2 to the numerator. So W is equal to q square by 2 inside the bracket. 1 by C dash we calculated now. So 1 by 4 minus the old capacitance 1 by C, that is 1 by 20, and 10 raised to minus 12 taken to numerator. Now it is 10 raised to plus 12. Okay. So when reaching this stage you will get 1 more mark. So before you got 1 mark for finding C dash is equal to, now you will get 1 mark for finding what is the work done. Now solve it. Solve that work done now. So on solving that W is equal to, substitute values now because Q is given. So 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 microcoulomb, right? So square, Q square divided by 2 inside the bracket. And we do the LCM for that one. So you can show here like a multiplication, crossing. So 1 into 20, that is 20 minus 4. Because 4 into 1, that is 4 divided by 4 into 20, that is 80 into 10 raised to 12. So numerator what is there now? 4 into 4, yeah, 16 will be there. Because first one is 4 square, that is 16. 10 raised to minus 6 square, that is minus 12 divided by 2. And now 20 minus 4, that is 16 divided by 80. So after simplification and multiplication, so 8 into 16 divided by 80. Simplify it, that is easy for you actually. So numerator it will be 128 divided by denominator 80. It's equal to 1.6 joule. Total this question 3 marks, so 1 more mark. This way you will get 3 marks. So when you are solving this question, always maintain the steps separately and neatly because you want to get the mark in each step. And if you like this one, please post your questions I can solve this way all the question what you are posting to get the answer. Okay, and watch the channel every day. There will be update every day at 7 p.m. GST. Okay, thank you for watching. Kindly share this one with your friends. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.